Yo. This song's going out to Sanjeev.
Yes, sir. Turn the bloody music down.
Another boys over in Maningam, yeah?
Turn it down.
I never had a curry like you before and I just lost you.
Fuck me, man.
Hey. Listen to the language, yeah?
I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed that I wanted a curry. So I phoned up the curry shop, asked for a curry, said they deliver it to me. Came about 12:30 and I paid for the curry, it was £5. What a rip-off, I do say. Plus the man was gay who brought my curry.
My curry.
He brought my curry.
Brought my curry.
Do piazza.
Don't be
Extra onions.
Extra onion.
Chapatis. A free piece of naan bread.
Piece of naan bread.
What can you do
What
now?
can you do now?
Go back to bed.
Back to bed, you bastard.
Spilled curry on my top, so I put it straight into the washing machine.
Washing machine.
You know it was a curry stain. It was very sweaty.
Sweaty.
It was orange too.
Orange stain.
Tried wiping it off with a dishcloth. It did not work, so I put it in the washer.
The washer.
It only cost 50p,
50p.
but it was from Netto.
Netto.
And I like curry.
Like curry.
Where is my curry?
Where's my curry?
My curry is freezing.
Curry is freezing.
Warm it up.
Warm it up, you bastard.
Put it
Put it
in the microwave.
in the microwave.
You sweaty son of
Sweaty
son of a bitch.
Son of a
Instrumental.
bitch.
Majadari ane majade. Majadari mane hane he. Majarane gone majane mahe. Bajigane mane 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 mane. Shubba dubba dubba dubba